Dog. I have a dog. Duck. The duck is in the water. Hamster. My hamster is small. Cow. The cow gives milk. Parrot. The parrot can talk. Rabbit. The rabbit is fast. Donkey. The donkey is strong. Chicken. The chicken eats corn. Cat. The cat is cute. Goat. The goat eats grass. Pigeon. The pigeon flies high. Horse. The horse runs fast. Guinea pig. The guinea pig is soft. Turkey. The turkey is big. Camel. The camel walks in the desert. Budgerigar. The budgerigar is small and pretty. Sheep. The sheep is white. Mouse. The mouse is tiny. Peacock. The peacock is beautiful. Buffalo. The buffalo is strong. Cockatiel. The cockatiel sings nicely. Pig. The pig is dirty. Swan. The swan is white. Alpaca. The alpaca has soft fur. Chick. The chick is yellow. Chinchilla. The chinchilla is soft. Bull. The bull is strong. Goose. The goose swims in the lake. Myna. The myna can speak. Pony. The pony is small horse. Rat. The rat runs fast. Lamb. The lamb is young. Cockatoo. The cockatoo is white. Mule. The mule is strong. Quail. The quail is small bird. Ox. The ox works hard. Lovebird. The lovebird is cute. Yak. The yak lives in mountains. Duckling. The duckling is small. Gerbil. The gerbil is active. Rooster. The rooster crows in the morning. Llama. The llama has long neck. Finch. The finch sings well. Kid. The kid is young goat. Macaw. The macaw is colorful. Calf. The calf is baby cow. Dove. The dove is peaceful. Ewe. The ewe is female sheep. Java sparrow. The Java sparrow is small bird. Boar. The boar is wild pig. Gosling. The gosling follows mother. Ram. The ram has big horns. Water buffalo. The water buffalo works in fields. Zebra finch. The zebra finch is small bird. Sow. The sow has piglets. Canary. The canary sings beautifully. Hen. The hen lays eggs. Quail chick. The quail chick is tiny. Piglet. The piglet is small. Turkey poult. The turkey poult follows mother. Peahen. The peahen is beautiful bird. Thank you for watching.